Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. It's been a long time, but this video right here is a special one. In this video, we're going to do the unboxing of iPhone 15 Pro. Yes, we are upgrading from iPhone 13 directly to iPhone 15 Pro. I've also got some of the accessories from Apple itself. So I've got the iPhone 15 Pro clear case. I don't like silicone and didn't hear a lot of good reviews about the fine woven case. So I thought of going with this clear case, which looks good. And as well as we have this screen guard from Spygen. So in this video, we're just going to do the unboxing, and then there's a lot of stuff we need to do. We have our iPhone 13, so we need to transfer all our data from iPhone 13 to the iPhone 15 Pro. So this is a seal pack, as you can see. Let's just do the unboxing and let's see how it goes. So there is a pull tab over here, so we need to just pull the tab. Okay, that's it. And then there we go. And inside this we have our brand new iPhone 15 Pro. So let me keep that box aside, and as you can see, this is the box for iPhone 15 Pro. So I haven't gone with iPhone 15 Pro Max because I feel with my palm size, so iPhone 15 Pro would be fine. So this is the box of the iPhone 15 Pro. The box is pretty similar with the last year's iPhone models. So you can see that in the back of the box it mentions assembled in China, because I've heard that at least for now, for the time being, the Pro models are still being assembled in China. But instead, if you go for iPhone 15 or regular iPhone devices, you would see that some of these are manufactured and assembled in India. Yeah. So there you go. This is the black one that I've gone for. So you can see that there's a pull tab. Let me just quickly do one thing. Let me just pull this tab and let's see how is the experience, right? I didn't notice that. So there are two pull tabs. You need to pull, and then you just gently need to open the box. As you can see, this is the first view of this iPhone 15 Pro in black color, and the first impression, I would say it looks stunning. And this is the first time I would be using a Pro device. And there are other colors as well. You can go for natural titanium, you can go for the blue, you can go for the black. And let me just peel this off. You can see how cool this looks actually. So let me keep these things aside. So apart from that, what you get in the box is that new USB-C to C connector, and if you look closely, this cable itself is a braided one, so that's a good thing. So Apple has moved away from from Lightning to C. Now you get to get the C connector and nothing else in the box. Some of the pamphlets and some Apple stickers, and then you get your SIM ejector pin, so depending on the country. So if you're watching from US, then definitely you would be of course using the eSIM, but if you're in India, then still you have the option to use the physical SIM, which I actually need to eject from my old iPhone 13. Let me just do that, and then we're gonna put it to iPhone 15 Pro, right? So let me just pull this, and there you go. And on my iPhone 15 Pro, what I need to do, and then just fix it back. Okay, so let me keep all these things aside, and we'll talk about first the iPhone. How does it feel in hand? So overall, this is a matte finish totally, and the sides of this phone are made up of titanium instead of the other material which Apple was using for their Pro models. It looks very good, and there are of course 3 cameras. So this is actually a very good feeling, to be honest, and the weight is evenly distributed across. So this looks actually very good. So let me do one thing. Let me press the power button, and let's see how it boots. I hope it has some charge in it. So yeah, there you go. This new Apple logo is there, and let's see how it gives me the option to transfer the data and all these things which I have already backed up from my iPhone 13 to my new iPhone 15 Pro. There you go. The new notch itself, the notch is not new. You were getting the notch with the previous generation. If you go with the iPhone 15, you'll get the notch as well. So you need to click on the selected language and the India. So once you do that, then it will take some time. It will take its own time, and once this is done, so definitely you would get to see this kind of default, medium, and on which level you want the appearances to be, and then click on continue, set up without another device, or you can have your iPhone 13 or old iPhone just by side, and it will say unlock to continue. So let me just put the passcode instead, and so it is just checking for the connectivity. This process is a time consuming process, but since I'm doing the unboxing and I just need to scan the code, right? So let me just scan the code just like this, and you can see that it's saying that getting things ready, and it will take couple of hours depending on how much data you have already, how many applications you have installed on your current iPhone, but the process itself is seamless. So it says continue on your other iPhone. So if you have got one profile, so it will be for you. If you've got more than one profile like child account and all stuff connected, then you just have to select your profile and set up for me. So you just have to put the passcode. So let me just put the passcode here. So once you put the passcode, it still says setting up your iPhone. As I said before, you have to be patient and it will do its own stuff. Depending on how much data you have, it will take minimum 1 to 2 hours, at least few hours. It also depends on your internet connection and stuff like that. So you have to keep both the phones side by side so that connectivity is there, and then you have to do some stuff on your older iPhones and have to do some stuff on your newer iPhones. So you can see that on your older iPhone, you see enjoy your new iPhone, and you have to just click on done. And there is already a software update. I think this is for 17.0.1. So I'm just going to click on update now, and it is just going to do a software update. Let me click on agree. So it is going to download the software update, and it is going to do a software update and then continue. In the meantime, let me show you the other stuff. So I ordered this device from apple.com, and you can see that on my iPhone 13 yesterday I got a message that ready for your new device. So you would get stuff like that. So if you're directly ordering from Apple, so Apple would recognize that. It would give you a heads up before 1 or 2 days prior that your new iPhone is arriving. So it's better to keep all your data backed up to the Apple iCloud, and then once you do that, you can seamlessly transfer all your data from your older iPhone to the newer iPhone. If you are ordering from any other places like Amazon or Flipkart, you still can do this by going to the iCloud and making sure you have a iCloud backup, and then once your backup is ready, you can just simply pull your phone close to your older iPhone, and then simply can do the rest of the stuff. So in this video, I just wanted to show you what comes in the box with the iPhone 15 Pro. As well, I said that I have this clear MagSafe. So let me just show you that in the process when the phone is booting up. So this is also a new stuff that I bought. So it is a clear case, as you can see. So it costed me around 4,900. So if you're purchasing from Apple, so the fit should be fine. So and it should be snug as well, since both things should fit. So as you can see, there's this MagSafe thing, and it looks really good on the iPhone. So now you just have to unlock, and you can still see that the software is getting updated over here. It is going to take some time, but the main thing is that you have the action button. So that's the new thing. So Apple has moved away from the silent switch to the action button on at least their Pro phones. So that is the new thing that you're going to get. Apart from that, once this software update is complete, I'm going to just apply my screen guard, I'm going to do the transfer, and I'm going to come up with a lot more videos in coming days about iPhone 15 Pro, testing out the new cameras, and comparing the cameras with iPhone 13. So this is going to be all about the new device, and let me know in the comment section which videos you would like to see for this new iPhone 15 Pro that I have just bought. Also, I'm going to talk about how's the battery life, what are the new options you get with this iPhone 15 Pro, especially with this action button. So let me know that in the comment section below. I hope that's it for this video. In this video, I just wanted to do the unboxing and wanted to show you very briefly, if you have an existing iPhone, how you can move the data across from your older iPhone to the newer iPhone, and also what comes in the box if you're purchasing this year's new iPhone. So then again, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.